Okay, just a quick video on SWA. So there's my cable. I'm not going to take it right off. I'm just going to do a little bit. Right, so first ascertain the length, which I'm going to do to about here. Get my cable cut. Well, all I'm doing here is just scoring the SWA. Here it goes through, there it goes. Just so it peels off nice and easily. That should be enough. You can see it's done a nice score. So now we remove the outer sheath. Because that's been scored, these should come off nice and easily. And there you see. So there's the cable, nice and cut all the way around evenly. So now what we do, we open our glands. Right, the first thing to do just pierce a little hole in there, just enough for this cable to go through. A bit more. We want this nice and snug. And it give you a, you see there, it gives you a little lip. Where's the camera? There, little lip. I'm just going to score it there. Right, now we apply, and see that wiggles on. That's quite tight, nice and tight. The next step, that's for the outer sheath, that goes on there. That's the bit there. So I'll just tuck that into there. Right, now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut about 1/2 inch. Firstly, let's get this on. That's ready. 1/2 inch of the cable, of the sheath. Expose some SWA, reinforced armour. We'll give it a wiggle. Firstly, we'll pull this back. All we're doing at this stage is opening it out so it's nice and just to fit the gland. Just covering, oh, a bit more. The SWA is just covering the gland. Now the next step is the retaining olive. And we'll now give it a nip up with the grips. nice and tight. That's the camera. That is. And then we do up this protection. It's got a rubber O-ring, and that'll make a watertight seal. So if you look at that now, that camera, watertight seal. That's your gland made, and then you strip back the wires. See, I'm going to use a knife just to cut it nice and gently around the edge. Carefully not to nick any wires, conductors. You slip that in your back box, bring up the sheath, so that ends no IP protection, so no water ingress or particles, and that's how you make an SWA. And you finish it off. That will be in your back box, and that will be your clamping ring. Right, just to go one step further, if I get my multimeter, sorry, my voltage tester, which has continuity on it. So if we test, so that's beeping. So now we should get on the SWA here and here continuity. If you can hear that. And that's how you terminate an SWA. I shall now end this video. Thank you very much.